So today on Project Shop, we're over here by the Boca Airport. And no, we're not going to be scrapping out some airplanes. But I am here to pick up a 50 horsepower, 3-phase generator. So I'm waiting for the guy to come over here and meet me to get me past security. Look at all these private planes, man. They look like death traps. You wouldn't catch me up in the air in one of these little things. It's like flying in a tin can. Not too often you get to go pick up scrap by $1 million Learjets.
we just got $6,000 worth of free shit that's brand new, never been used. They installed it back there, and it was too much. 50 horsepower was too much for this setup, and they put a 20 horsepower unit in. Take a look at this plane. This is crazy. Really doesn't, up close, these things look like tin cans. Pretty cool. Big money here, man. All right, let's get out of here before the FAA comes over here and starts shit with me.
Big fan of airplanes, because first time I ever flew on an airplane, Spirit Airlines coming from New Jersey to Florida. We were taxiing down the runway. All of a sudden the pilot comes on, says, yeah, we're hearing a grinding noise from the landing gear, so we're gonna go back and get it checked out. So we went back to the terminal. Then he comes back on and says, yeah, the mechanic just slapped some grease on it. We're just gonna go ahead and send it. And you know, my mechanical mind went into overdrive, and I'm thinking, man, if they neglected a freaking bearing on the landing gear, what other things have been neglected and not properly maintained on this damn tin can of a freaking airplane, you know? So I don't drink, but fortunately for me, the lady, beautiful girl next to me, owned a liquor store and had all these little shots of liquor. And I wound up getting drunk on the plane. Uh-oh. There we go. Secure area. Now I'm supposed to go through this gate and stop and let the gate close. Otherwise, if you just drive off, the FAA would be pissed because they think someone else could sneak in here. I used to have a TWIC card and a bunch of other IDs to get into like secure areas and airports, ports, military bases and shit like that. They don't fuck around, man. I've been on jobs where you're literally working, the guy next to you's got an M16 or whatever they're using nowadays. Oh, maybe I gotta pull up a little bit more. Oh, there it is. I hear the beeping. Okay. Just got to let that gate close all the way. You see that? So we don't get in trouble. And we still get access to all kinds of cool things, you know? You got to be respectful of the rules. And you'll get a call back. Funny thing about this contractor that we picked this up for, he does all the hangars for this company in Florida and Georgia. And I was asking him what he does with all of his scrap, and he says they use GNF in Florida. GNF demolition, when I cut concrete, they would actually call us in when they had a job that was beyond their scope of capabilities. The concrete cutting company I worked for, they had equipment and the capability to do shit that no other company could do. So I know all the big time contractors because I've pretty much worked for them all. Well, we're gonna head back over to see if we can't drop this off at my buddy's shop, my landlord where he works, and we're probably gonna wind up selling this shit as is, because I'm definitely not gonna scrap something that's brand new like that. That was given to me. So we'll see you back at the shop.
There we go. Yeah?
But $6,000, he knows that people buy these things all the time.
Now this transformer, I've never seen one with a base that sturdy. This thing here might be copper. Huh. I don't know. Probably all super expensive stuff. All right. Down, down, straight down, 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 down. There you go. Come on in. All right, tilt it up, tilt it up. Come in. Whoa, too far, man. Whoa, 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 tilt it forward. Just tilt it forward and ride in. There you go, come straight in. You got it. Tilt it up. You got it. Yeah, oh, go down. Or put it over here because you're going to hit this other pallet.
I'm going to push them
All right, go ahead. You got it. What's up with the block?
We're going to close that doorway in.
Oh, yeah.
I got to get all those lights out here, too.
So, all these lights are going to be scrapped. And then we got all these bins of copper. Look at this. Look at this. All these light cords. All that. Look at all that copper. See this SO cable, you know, like thick extension cord. Man, if I had that granulator set up, we'd grind all this up. Or try to sell it to someone that wants it, but you know, it's kind of like custom stuff. Just offloaded these off my other little trailer. It's big old air compressors. We're gonna fix these up and sell them. These come from the city. So, got all kinds of stuff going on. Big money, big money. Let's see if we can't get a name off of this. Oh, they got this thing strapped up pretty good. We got Larson Electronics. This is a Optimal output 104 amps. This is a rotary phase converter. Phase conversion, 1 phase to 3 phase. 37.5 kilowatts. Wow. 50 horsepower. Single phase voltage, 240 volt input. Man, I might keep this thing. Indoor use. Made in the USA. I like that. Bam, look at that. Sweet. So, AC induction converter. Good stuff, dude. This is quality stuff here, man. Made in America.
It's the newest.
You should have seen the, dude, you should have seen the big old jets. I got some cool video of the jets these things were sitting next to.
Yeah, is that right?
Yeah. All right, I'm getting out. Okay, you need me to go with you over there? Or I'll just meet you at the house. All right. We're going up to pick up some steel tables and possibly acquire a milling machine and a lathe. So we're putting 4 new tires and rims on my my little trailer. Look at all this. Remember I was telling y'all I get tons of Christmas lights? Well, this company here, look at all these boxes. Nothing but Christmas lights and decorations. My buddy here, he fabricates all the fancy decorations for the cities, like all the metal framing, and then they store it. And anyway, I literally get trailer loads of Christmas lights from this place for free. But this is my other little trailer. I got this thing, I don't know, I think I paid 50 bucks for it or some shit. But these sides here, originally I was gonna put these on that trailer in those little square cups. I was gonna make removable sides, but this trailer here didn't have any sides at all. So I put these on there, and wooden plywood that I had laying around didn't last too long. Is that the rest of it?
All that new plywood we can put on the side.
Oh, nice. You want me to just throw it on here now?
No, I'm
Oh, look at that. Is that a plug? That's that plug.
See this?
Yeah, that needs to be welded.
I'm gonna put heavier square tubing on here. I got it right in the back, so we can put.
Are we gonna do that tomorrow? Get this fixed up?
Yeah.
All right.
I want to make sure I fix it up right. So let's.
These tires.
They're still good spares, but.
Yeah, they're kind of dry rotted.
If I double up tables on here, I'd rather have some good ones.
Yeah.
Here's my other spare.
And it'd be a good idea for me to grease these bearings.
Yeah, let's take a day and get everything right so we can go Sunday.
Cool.
That'll be good. All right, I'm gonna go over to Expediter. They close at 5. So.
Okay.
And I got.
Yeah, we're gonna.
This still works good. Nice and smooth because I greased the hell out of it.
Yeah, it just needs to be tightened up.
Yeah, or straightened either way. It looks like the. See, it don't have a kick plate at the bottom, which I like to keep them that way. That way, when they get hit, they just bend up here and you can repair them. If the kick plate's on the bottom, right here.
Oh yeah.
When you bend it,
right.
it bends the pipe.
Okay.
So
man, look at this tearing there. We'll have to fix that up a little bit. All right.
Yeah,
cool.
I mean, I can either weld it in the house or weld it here. Either way, I'm gonna go get the tires. You know what? Let's just hook this up right now.
All right.
That way I ain't got to worry about it. Because I can still clip my tailgate down and I can throw tires on.
Cool.
I like to start to bother me while I was home getting the diesel fuel tank. I got me a vodka martini.
Yeah, I bought 6 of these tires for like $100, and I've had them on here for years. But this trailer, yeah, these are dry rotten. We're gonna go buy 4 brand new tires and rims, just the whole set, like the wagon wheels, and then just have a bunch of spares. This trailer I used basically as my steel trailer. This would sit out in front of my shop, and I would just load steel, all this tin sheet steel and whatever. I don't really go find this stuff, but I do come across it, and probably take me a week, sometimes a week to fill this up, or 2 weeks to a week. Once or twice, 2 to 3 times a month probably, I would fill this up and take it over to the steel yard. I can't complain for 50 bucks, man. This trailer is nice. Just needs a little TLC. Where's he going? Did he forget?